Tarot. Welcome back to my channel. Today's just going to be a bit of a swatch fest, and I'm also going to try out my brushes that I received. If you guys watched my previous video, it was just sort of an unboxing of some PR stuff that Madam Glam sent to me. I have 7 polishes, well actually 6 polishes, and this is a rubber base. This is Malaysia. So I will hop off of here. I'm going to base coat 6 of my little pop sticks with the Madam Glam Soak Off base. I usually don't put a base coat on my pop sticks because, like, why? But today I'm gonna. I will not need one on Malaysia because you don't need to put a base coat under a base coat. I mean, obviously. So, yeah, I will be back at the tail end with my final pop sticks and my final thoughts on these beautiful, beautiful polishes from Madam Glam. So sit tight, kick back, listen to the reggae beats, honey, and yeah, I'll be back. So there you have it, you guys. These are all absolutely stunning and phenomenal. I'm pretty sure my top picks are Am I Clear? I love this, and I'll do a little bit of close-ups in just a second. Hardcore even. I'm kind of feeling that, even though I'm not. It's not like in-your-face purple, and I'm not a purple person. G Money told me that Hardcore is one of their reflective gels, which I didn't even know because I didn't research it when I was on their website, because again, I'm not a purple person. This was not on my radar when I chose my PR items. So I will be turning my flash on in just a second. I'll turn off my lamps, turn on the flash so that I can see Hardcore in all of its gorgeous reflective glory, as well as looking at the rainbows and Frosty. I absolutely love that. Oh, by the way, I did Am I Clear 2 coats by itself, 1 coat over black. Y'all, that's 1 coat over black. Ugh. Obsessed. Love that. And then on Moon Tears, it is a bit sheer. You could probably see there towards the tip and up here. It's a little sheer. I did 3 coats of it on its own. I cured all 3 coats. And then when I top coated it, I also cured my top coat. Don't even know if that helps. I don't know. This is the first gel magnetic that I've ever owned. And then I did 1 coat of it over Oh Happy Day, just to sort of help kick up that opacity. Of course, you could put it over black. You could put it over anything you wanted to, honestly. Put it over white. I don't know. I think the little flakies, the little UCC flakies may pop over white. I don't know. I don't know. Would they? They have a bit of an iridescence to them. White, no. I think your best bet would be to keep it over a dark color. So there it is, over 1 coat of Oh Happy Day, 3 coats by itself. It is stunning. And do I think Nana is still going to lose her ish when I apply this? Yes, hunty, I do. So let me just pause you for 1 sec and flip on me flash and check out some of these gorge beauties. Oh, hello. Hello there, Hardcore. Woo. Goodness gracious. Okay, so I'll tell you right now, with the flash on, looking at it through my camera, it is a reflective gel, or reflective glitters. But looking at it with my eyeballs and not through the camera, but just under my camera looking at it, it's sparkly, yeah. But it's not like under the camera with the flash on, it looks like it's super like silvery reflective. And I don't get that with my eyeballs. It's very, very hollow glitter. That's what I'm getting, but not super silvery glitter. Whatever, it's still a freaking disco ball. Let me now grab us some Frosty and just dive into the rainbows here. Oh yes, yes. I love me a beautiful linear hollow. Oh, it's just so stunning. And the color too. It is Frosty, like they named it. It's a perfect name for this. It is Frosty. Let me grab Moon Tears. This is Moon Tears over Oh Happy Day. Try to get it to focus. Yeah, loving those flakies. And then here it is all by itself. Okay, this stupid ring is getting on my nerves. There we go. Let's switch them up. By itself over Oh Happy Day. It is beautiful. I mean, that magnetic line and the magnet that I have, y'all, it will suck your dang face off. It'll pull the fillings right out your head. But this may not be my last gel magnetic that I purchased, that I pick up. So thank you, Madam Glam, for sending me. Oh, see, I love the multiple coats by itself just because I love to build up the flakies or the zhuzh, or, you know, if there were glitters in it. I love to build that up. I don't have as many flakies, obviously, with just the 1 coat. So that's why I do enjoy multiple coats of zhuzh. I like to layer. I like to layer it up because I want the most bang for my bucks. Okay, let me just do one more quick hardcore. Let me do one more hardcore look at this under the flash. Oh my goodness, it's so sparkly. See, and through the camera, under the flash, it just literally looks like silver sparkles. I don't even really pick up all that much hollow, but it's there. It is in your face. Oh, let me check one more thing as I fumble and bumble around. There's Burlesque and all of its glorious little hollow micro glitter beauty. And, whoops, Am I Clear? Again, 2 coats of Am I Clear on its own, 1 coat over black. Madam Glam's Perfect Black, by the way. And I really hope that this is in focus. Sometimes things are so sparkly that it freaks out the camera. Y'all know how that goes. But yeah, it is so, these little micro glitters are so shifty. A lot of green and a lot of orange. Like I said, it's like embers. It's like embers in a fireplace. Ugh, gorgeous. All right, let me turn this flash off. So once again, thank you, Madam Glam, for sending me these PR packages. I'm obsessed with every single one of them. I think Malaysia is going to be in heavy, heavy rotation. Honestly, I would wear 2 coats of Malaysia, maybe even 1 coat of Malaysia over my nubs because I don't have much of a visible nail line right now. And top it. Just put a top coat of Am I Clear over it. Or just a matte top coat. Just a plain velvet matte top coat for Madam Glam. Do I own velvet matte? I do not even own velvet matte top coat from Madam Glam. What is wrong with me? So Madam Glam, just toss that in my next PR package. No, I'm kidding. I don't know. All I know is that I don't have a Madam Glam matte top coat. I need to rectify that situation. But yes, Malaysia, definitely. It is absolutely stunning, and it's perfect. It's exactly what I want. I have 2 or 3 different builder gels. Well, I have a bunch of builder gels from Madam Glam, but I have 2 or 3 that are in this family, like the sheer pink. What is it? Sheer light pink, sheer builder pink. I don't know. And now I have Malaysia, and I just like to throw on those super sheer pink builder gels, and I just wear them alone. You know, I top coat them or whatever, but I don't have to have color because I just love that super clean, super crisp, super beautiful base on my nails. I think I keep forgetting to say this. They are vegan, they are cruelty-free, 21-free, palm oil-free, and HEMA-free. I will tell you, however, soak off top coat. Vegan, cruelty-free. This is only 9 free. It is HEMA-free. Out of all of these that they sent to me, because I did look at all of them on the back, out of all of these that they sent to me in this PR, Moon Tears is 9 free, and it is not HEMA free. As you can see, the #1 ingredient has HEMA in it. So as you're shopping along on Madam Glam's website, if you know you have, you know, allergens, if you have allergies to any product, if you've had reactions to gel polish in the past and you think that it could have been HEMA related, I don't know. I ain't no doctor, okay? But if you're shopping around on Madam Glam's website and you are interested in something, just double check in the ingredients list of the product. It'll tell you whether or not it's HEMA free. And Moon Tears is not, but basically they are definitely across the board cruelty free and vegan. But again, their formulas may vary polish to polish, and also like the palm oil. Yeah, so Moon Tears does not say that it is also palm oil free. So just a heads up, you know, if you have known allergies, maybe you've had to take a break from using gel polishes because you started developing a reaction and then you've heard through the grapevine, or you've consulted with your dermatologist, which is always a very good suggestion, that you do have HEMA sensitivity, make sure, and I'm going to go ahead and put up a little thing. I'm going to try to anyway. on the Madam Glam's website, how you can just scroll through the products, or, you know, individual products, and sort of where to find that information about whether or not it is HEMA-free, if it's a 9-free formula versus a 21-free, etc., etc. All right, so now I'm just gonna hop off here and play around with my brushes and hopefully do my very first successful ombre with a couple of creams using this brand new ombre brush. So I did use my ombre brush, you guys, and as you can see, it was a bit of a massacre. Unfortunately, it took a little bit longer than I was expecting, so this is going to be an entirely different video coming up next. I want to say within the next couple of days. It's obviously been filmed. I will be editing it in the next couple of days. Yeah, so stay tuned for that. But if you stuck around with me for this entire video, thank y'all so much, and I will see y'all in my next one. Bye!